adjacent seat is empty and she is taking full advantage.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Here we are at the first stop of our trip to Australia, Sydney. Guys, stick around with us for the next 7 minutes. We're gonna show you what Sydney has to offer and much, much more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and enjoy the video. You know, right? Australia seasons are at opposite times to those in the northern hemisphere. To most of us, what's autumn or fall up here, it's winter down there. We visited this country in the month of August 2019 when the climate was as desirable as we expected. Beautiful sunny weather with a temperature of 12 degrees Celsius during the day and below 10 degrees Celsius by night, something that we really miss in Singapore. Much to our disappointment, our flight from Singapore was delayed by more than 12 hours. I mean, how can your holiday be memorable without an event of unfairness, right? So be it. Now that we were in Sydney, there was no looking back. After a reunion with Dave in the evening, we took it slow and easy the first night.
Hi! Hey!
The next day started with an amazing breakfast. Breakfast are to die for in Australia, I tell you. I mean, look at it. Such beauty and grandeur on your plate, right? Well, food aside, no visit to Sydney is complete without seeing the world-famous Sydney Harbour and the Opera House. अरे यार ये कहाँ से आ गए? ये आपका? हाँ, अब भी आ रहा है. Whichever commute you take, to get here, get down at Circular Quay, stroll along the harbour that bustles with crowd and soak into the beauty of two magnificent structures. And if you have a drone, why not fly it from the Royal Botanic Garden, which is right next to the Opera House? This place reminds me of two movies and my fond memories from my younger days, Dil Chahta Hai and Finding Nemo. And you know why? I don't have to explain it to you. We walked across the Harbour Bridge along the pedestrian walkway and caught a glimpse of the Opera House again, but from another angle. This walkway further led us to the oldest and famous neighbourhood of Sydney, the Rocks. We reached there only to spot Sydney's oldest pub, the Fortune of War, which was established in 1828. And of course we went in to grab a drink. Cheers! तुमको क्या-क्या exactly खाना है? तुमको मीट ज़्यादा खाना है, मीट के साथ काव भी लेना है. Oh, hello, hi. क्या तैयारी चल रही है? ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए? मॉर्निंग ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. ये हो गया रात का चखना. रात का चखना? हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट का प्रिपरेशन. रोज के गिन्नी. बाजी. Bondi Beach is a popular beach, and I remember we woke up at 5:30 in the cold morning to catch this divine sunrise. Crazy. Our hands were literally frozen while holding the camera and flying the drone, but the pain was worth it.
How could we fall so fast?
into the camera, thankfully.
এই বাবা এটা তখন থেকে রেকর্ড হচ্ছে বন্ধ করনি
Later in the day, we headed towards Manly Beach. The best way to get to Manly Beach is to take the ferry from Sydney Harbour. Travel time is 20 to 30 minutes and it offers a stunning view of the city surrounded by the sparkling ocean, adorned with the beauty of Harbour Bridge and the Opera House.
So how did you like the video? Didn't you like it?
Actually, this was one of our best trips, and we also had a plan to go to the Blue Mountains, but we couldn't go primarily because of two reasons. One, we mentioned in the beginning of the video that our flight was delayed by 12 hours. We could not do anything there, and then we also researched and found that the road to the Blue Mountains was blocked due to heavy snowfall.
Right.
But then there is always a next time.
That's right. And talking about the video, I hope you like it. If you really like it, loved it, please do subscribe to our channel because we put a lot of emotions, a lot of effort in making one video. We take weeks together to come up with one video. Please subscribe to our channel. It will be a huge support for us, really. So stay tuned because we are going to come up with equally amazing video which is about the Great Ocean Road.
No, it was supposed to be Melbourne.
No, the Great Ocean Road.
Melbourne, we talked about it, right?
No, it's going to be the Great Ocean Road.
It has to be in the sequence.
मेरा जो मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा।
Live your life.